We use credit cards mainly for the convenience of transaction and the rewards including cash back and travel points. Some valuable card benefits are hidden in the fine print. Most of us don't know or forget in making use of the little perks that come with a credit card. Some of them even offer a cell phone protection, which is up to $1,200 per year, with a limit of 2 damages a year. Let's see some of the most common perks amongst the credit card providers. The first is extended warranty protection. Next time when a cashier offers for you to buy the extended warranty on a product, you can just decline it. Credit card providers offer extended warranty protection added to the original manufacturer's warranty, and the warranty period starts only after the manufacturer's warranty expires. Depending on the type of card, the warranty coverage limit ranges from $500 to $10,000, and a warranty period somewhere between 1 to 3 years. Just remember, you do need the original receipts to make the claim. The next is auto collision damage for rental cars. If your rental car is damaged, you don't have to file a claim with your auto insurance if you have a credit card provider that offers the primary coverage. You also don't have to risk your insurance premiums going up. Credit card companies provide 2 types of auto collision coverage: primary and secondary coverage. Primary coverage kicks in first, even if you don't have auto insurance. Secondary coverage picks up the tab for anything your auto insurance doesn't cover. Depending upon the type of credit card provider, you can claim up to $50,000 for a rental limit of 15 days. Just use your credit card to make the rental reservation. The next is related to trip cancellations. We all know it, sometimes things happen. If your immediate family member is suddenly hospitalized, you are called to jury duty, or an airline ceases operation and cancels the flight, your travel costs can be reimbursed by the credit card company if the reservation is made using the credit card. Depending on the credit card company claim limit, your savings could vary from $5,000 to $10,000. Next, let's talk about lost luggage reimbursement. We all know airlines can place your luggage in an entirely different city, or you could easily board while your luggage does not. If this happens, don't panic, stay calm. Credit card benefits are applicable here as well, and they provide reimbursements for expenses when your bags are delayed. Based on the card provider, you are eligible for the benefit if the bags are delayed by 3 to 12 hours, and the spending limit per day varies from $100 to $500. Of course, receipts are needed to get the expenses reimbursed. Now let's talk about return protection. Most of the stores you go to have return policies. What if you wanted to return an item after a return policy expires? Some credit cards extend the return policy period if you made the purchase using the credit card. To make this claim, you might need a written document from the store stating its refusal to accept the item. Coverage limits range from $250 to $1,000, and the number of claims in a year varies by the card provider. Now let's talk about purchase protection. If something you buy with your credit card is damaged or stolen, then make a claim with your credit card provider depending on the purchase protection policy. Most of the providers will look for a police report to process the claim. This coverage is typically limited to $1,000 to $2,500 per year, and there is a limit on the number of days you can make a claim after making a purchase. There you have it. We covered only the most common perks, and there are certainly more out there depending on the credit card you have. Of course, all the benefits that are mentioned in this video are subject to change, and eligible claims vary across credit card providers. This video is not a sponsored video. Please post your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video and want to watch more, just hit like and subscribe to our channel.